In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a semantic differential scale in Qualtrics. Now, first you want to open your survey and you want to add a new question. And when you click on that, you want to select matrix table over here, which should be the fourth option. Now in here, by default, it's going to look like this. So just click on it to select the question. And over here on the left, you want to switch the matrix type from Likert to bipolar. And as you can see, it's already kind of looking the correct way. And then from here, you want to select how many points you want to have. So like 3 or 7 or whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put it at 5 over here just to have somewhere in the middle. And you want to do these, of course, so the number of scale points, which are going to change the number of points. And if you do number of statements, it's going to change the amount of statements, okay? So I'm going to leave this like that, and then I'm going to just rename these. So I'm actually just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. And then I'm going to do the first statement over here, expensive, for example, and here I'm going to do inexpensive, like this. And then I'm going to do over here, I'm going to do friendly, and then I'm going to do unfriendly. And here, of course, let's just do a third one, for example, I don't know, modern, and then old-fashioned. Okay, let's say that's our scale over here. And of course, you can add different things as well. If you want to, you can add more scale points, more numbers of statements if you wanna. And if I preview this, you'll be able to see how this looks. So it's actually going to be exactly what you're looking for, a semantic differential scale over here. People can basically select from 1 to 5 if they think it's expensive or inexpensive, friendly or unfriendly, or modern or old-fashioned, okay? So of course, here you can write the text to actually give some context, but that's essentially how you create one. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.